Good morning, everyone. How are you, students? So, today we are going to revise prepositions, the chapter number 20. Then, after that, in the next class, I'm going to give the test. Fine, I will conduct a test of the same chapter. So, you need to revise it thoroughly from this lecture also and from the book also. Fine. So you can revise from this summary lecture. You can revise it from the first and second both the lectures of prepositions. Fine. So it is for class 4th English grammar, chapter number 20, preposition, summary lecture number 1, and it is from your book to get this PC Wren's grammar book. So let us proceed. So our topic is prepositions. Fine. So let us start. So what do you mean by preposition? Preposition, as I told you before also, pre means पहले, position means स्थान. पोजीशन किसी भी चीज का स्थान बताना कि कोई चीज कहाँ पे है. It tells us the position of something. It can be place, animal, thing, कोई भी चीज, किसी भी चीज की जगह बताना कि कोई चीज कहाँ पे है. And prepositions are the words which are used, which are placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with the other words present in the sentence. ये जो दूसरे शब्द होते हैं वाक्य में, उससे उसका रिलेशन दिखाती है preposition. So what is preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with the something as in the sentence. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the definition of prepositions. So these are few examples of prepositions. So first is, it is 10 a.m. by my watch. मेरी जो घड़ी पे समय है, by my watch, it is 10 a.m. By means किसी चीज के द्वारा, मतलब किसी चीज पे, कोई चीज से, कोई object से. She is suffering from is the preposition, from means say. Infection. This pen is for you. For is again the preposition, for means के लिए. I am not afraid of surprise test. Surprise test जो होता है उससे मुझे डर नहीं लगता है. Of is the preposition. I went to the school with my brother. But means with is the preposition over here. With means जब हम कोई काम किसी के साथ, मतलब किसी चीज के द्वारा करते हैं या कोई पर्सन के द्वारा. लाइक देयर इज वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, माई मदर कट्स द वेजिटेबल विद द हेल्प ऑफ नाइफ. अब नाइफ के द्वारा सब्जियां काटी जा रही हैं. फाइन. सो विद इज preposition. The wallet is lying on the table. On is the preposition. On means पर. The puppy was sleeping under the table. Under के नीचे. He has meeting at 8 p.m. I already told you, with any time, with clock time, with AM time, with PM time, we use the preposition at. So the wedding is at 20th April this year. Whenever there is a date, then month. जब भी पहले डेट आती है फिर मंथ आता है तो हम preposition at यूज करते हैं. अगर सिर्फ मंथ है, if there is only month, then we use preposition in. Fine. The house is behind the tree. Tree के पीछे. The school is near my house. Near, pass. Amit is in front of the tree. In front means के सामने. So the words which are in dark, bold, black letter and they're underlined, these all are prepositions. Let us move further. So this is the chart of preposition, kinds of preposition. First is time preposition, in which there is at, on, in. These three are main: at, on, in. Then there is place preposition, in which again at, on, in we use. Then we have directions preposition, means on, over, above, under, up, down, below, among, between. So let us start with the preposition of time. It is time preposition. Fine. So in time preposition, we are going to study in, on, at. First of all, let us start with preposition in. Where in is used? In कहाँ पे हम use करते हैं? In is used with the season of the year. Whenever there is a word, any season, spring, autumn, summer, we are going to use the preposition in. Whenever there are years and centuries, जब भी कोई year, साल की बात करते हैं, centuries means शताब्दियाँ. I was born in 1991. In preposition. My mother was born in 1857. In is the preposition. Fine. In 20th century, there were different kinds of machines used for this harvesting, used at the time of harvesting. So in is again the preposition. When there are only months name, I already told you January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, all 12 names. No, with not date, only months name, we use the preposition in. When there are parts of days means complete 24 hours in which we divide in part. पूरे जब हम एक पूरे दिन को parts में divide कर देते हैं, in an hour. Fine, in an hour. I will complete this work in an hour. Then we have in 5 years, in 3 days, in 5 weeks. I'm going to complete this work in 5 weeks. Understood? Then we use the preposition in. What do you learn? Simple as that. Use with the seasons, with years, with centuries, and with months. Leave this part. Okay. Then comes on to the preposition on. Next is on. On is used with the days. Any day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. With any day, we use preposition on. Like, then we have dates. Means when there is any holiday, holiday के साथ day लगता है जब Christmas day, my birthday. Fine, then we use the preposition on. And one more I told the use of preposition in this sentence. I told you, like whenever there is a like if there is any, we can call it as, if we say Mahatma Gandhi, this Gandhi Jayanti falls on. Gandhi Jayanti falls on 20th October. When there is a date and month, at that time also we use on. Next is over here at. At, I told you with the clock time. At 8:15, 9:30, at 20, at 8 o'clock. With AM, PM clock time, we use the preposition at. And whenever there is any meal time, we use at breakfast. We will talk at breakfast. At lunch time, at tea time, at dinner time. We use the preposition at over there whenever there is any meal time. Then we have over here, there are the examples for preposition in, and it is the time preposition. Like example is, the wedding is in April. I told you that whenever there will be only month name, there is no date before that, we will use preposition in. They got married in 2015. Again in, there is a year. Mark was born in 1984. Again in. Now there are season names. Jane often goes skiing in winter. In winter, winter season आ गया. I love going to Paris in the spring. Spring फिर से season आ गया. I will complete this work in 2 hours. 2 hours means part of the day. 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Now years. Back in the 1800s, women did not have same rights that they have today. 1800 back, we are talking about that century. I was born in October. Again month name also. I did my homework in the afternoon. I did my homework in afternoon. She came back in the morning. In the morning, in the night. Fine. In evening. I get up in the evening. So we use preposition in over there also. Next we have the examples of preposition on. On, I told you, with the days, and whenever there is any holiday, with that day. And then I told you, अगर जब भी पहले date पहले आती है फिर month आता है, we use the preposition on. The train arrived on time. They are arriving on Monday. The test is on 8th December. Many shops do not open on Sundays. What is the Sundays? Means every Sunday. I have a meeting with my manager on Fridays. I had a party on my birthday. Now this is a day. I visited my grandparents on Christmas Day. What are you doing on New Year's Day? We are talking about This is the holiday New Year, then day. I hope you all have understood. Let us move on to the next. Few more examples are there of preposition at, where we use preposition at. Your plane leaves at 4:55 p.m. I told you wherever there is a PM, AM time or clock time, we use preposition at. We should go to the airport now. She had a doctor's appointment yesterday at 7 o'clock. Now there is a clock time. Let's meet at 3 o'clock. It gets old at night. Everyone seems happy at Christmas. Holiday. At the time they were born, they were in room. उस समय पर वो कमरे में थे. The air is not so clear at sunrise. Whenever there will sunrise, sunset, इन दोनों के साथ preposition at use होगी. We will talk about at dinner time. The cafe was crowded at lunchtime. Dinner time, lunch time, breakfast time. I'm going to New York at Easter holiday. Next is, these are the preposition of place. Place means sthan. कोई चीज कहाँ पर है. In previous slides we talk about preposition of in, on, at, and that was the preposition of time. Now this is the preposition of place. Now from the help of picture I am going to explain you. See, this apple is not in touch. इसके टच में नहीं है, so it is above. जब उसके टच में होता है तो it is over. The apple is above the box. अब ये इसके नीचे है. The apple is below the box. The apple is on the box. Box पर है. This is the position. The apple is under the box. Box के नीचे है. The apple is in front of the box. Box के सामने है. The apple is behind the box. Box के पीछे है. Next is, there are more prepositions over here. The apple is between the boxes. There are two boxes. Between these two boxes there is a apple. So जब भी कोई दो चीजों के बीच में कुछ होता है तो हम preposition between use करते हैं. The apple is inside the box. In the box मतलब in use करते हैं जब वो चीज हिल नहीं रही होती, रेस्ट पर होती है, मोशन पे नहीं होती. Means it is in the box. The apple is beside. Beside means by the side of. किसी के side पे और next to. Fine. The apple is near the box. Box के पास है या उसके बिल्कुल close to है. The apple is opposite the box. Opposite. The apple is among the boxes. When there are so many boxes, उनके बीच में, like Jia is sitting among the boys. बहुत सारे boys हैं उनके बीच में बैठी हैं. जब दो के बीच में होता है we use between. जब सबके बीच में होता है we use among. Next is, there are few more examples of preposition of place. The bird is into the cage. जब हिल रही है केज के अंदर है. In motion we will use into. The pencil is in the cage. Cage में है वो हिल नहीं रही. It is at rest. The bird is coming out of the cage. Cage के बाहर आ रही है. Out of means के बाहर. The lunch box is on the table. The cow is standing under the tree. Tree के नीचे है. The kitten is sitting between two kittens. Now there are two kittens. In between that kitten there is a kitten. Between. I will distribute the sweets among the students. There are so many students and we are going to distribute the sweet among. बहुत सारे हैं. The boy is standing behind the pillar. Pillar के पीछे. The girl is standing near the food stall. Food stall के पास खड़ी है. The treasure is hidden at the secret place. There is a particular place. When we talk about the particular place, उस जगह पर कोई खड़ा होता है. उस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे हम कोई खड़ा होता है. लाइक माई मदर इज स्टैंडिंग एट द किचन गेट. किचन के गेट पे खड़ी है. फाइन. द मदर इज स्टैंडिंग एट द डोर एंड कॉलिंग मी. दरवाजे पे खड़ी हैं और मुझे बुला रही हैं. फाइन. When we stand, we are talk about a particular specific place. We are going to use the preposition at. Next preposition is preposition of motion. It is also known as preposition of direction. Let us start. Down the stairs. सीढ़ियों से नीचे. Down, up. Up the stairs. सीढ़ियों के ऊपर. Out of means किसी के बाहर. Into के अंदर. Towards. किसी. I am coming towards my mother. Towards means उसके पास जाना. Towards किसी के और. Away उससे दूर. आई एम स्टैंडिंग अवे फ्रॉम हिम. उससे दूर खड़ी हूं मैं. आई एम स्टैंडिंग अवे. पास्ट. पास्ट मीन्स पीछे. ओवर किसी के ऊपर. किसी के ऊपर और उसके टच में होता है जब. लाइक वी कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ओवर इज द कार इज रनिंग ओवर द ट्रैक. ओवर द रोड. द ट्रेन इज रनिंग ओवर द ट्रैक. ट्रैक के ऊपर है और उसके टच में है. नेक्स्ट इज ऑन टू. ऑन टू में क्या होता है, वो मोशन में होती है चीज. ऑफ. ऑफ मीन्स किसी चीज से सेपरेट होना. फाइन. किसी चीज से अलग होना. वी यूज ओ डबल एफ ऑफ. व्हेन वी यूज ओ एफ ऑफ, सिर्फ ओ एफ ऑफ यूज करते हैं, मीन्स उसका, उसकी, का, के, की. द पेन इज मेड ऑफ वुड. लकड़ी का बना है. द टेबल इज मेड ऑफ वुड. लकड़ी का बना है. अराउंड. अराउंड मीन्स उसके चारों तरफ. द बॉल इज रनिंग अराउंड द बॉक्स. अंडर के नीचे. दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन्ड यू. along. along means साथ साथ, उसके साथ साथ. the ball is rolling along the road. road के साथ साथ. across. across means उस पार. there is a beautiful garden across the river. river के पार, उसके उस पार. through. through means किसी चीज के द्वारा. किसी चीज के द्वारा पास होते हुए. fine. I hope you all have understood द हिंदी मीनिंग्स. अगर आपको हिंदी मीनिंग समझ आएंगे इनके, तभी आप उनको इंग्लिश में फिल कर पाओगे सेंटेंसेस में इजीली. नाउ देयर आर फ्यू मोर एग्जांपल्स. अ ड्रिंक वाज मिक्स्ड बाय अ पेटेंडर. ओवर हियर बाय. बाय मीन्स, मैंने आपको बताया था किसी चीज के द्वारा कोई काम किया जा रहा है. द मशीन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय द स्टूडेंट. स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा इन्वेंशन हुई है. बाय इज द प्रीपोजिशन. अ लॉट ऑफ एग्स वाज ब्रोकन बाय द बेगर. by the eggs were broken by the beggar. भिखारी के द्वारा. the dogs was running towards the field. towards किसी की ओर जाना means खेत के और. the participants were walking through the forest. they were walking through. next is the woman was walking into the woods. what do you mean by woods? over here woods लकड़ियां नहीं होता. woods is also known as forest. fine. they were walking into the forest. जब forest जंगल में चल रहे होंगे, woods में तो हिल रहे होंगे. the canned good cannot be opened with the knife. means the canned means sealed. cannot be opened with the knife. knife के द्वारा, चाकू के द्वारा नहीं खोली जा सकती. he always talks about her. about means उसके बारे में. about is the preposition over here. she is running around the park. around means उसके चारों तरफ. my mother is cutting the vegetables with the knife. when we do anything with the help of something else, we use the preposition with over there. like I am writing with the pen. so next is, see, fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. there are 10 sentences and over here 9. so these are complete 19 sentences which you need to do. this is your homework. and so what is the complete homework? complete the sentences given in the previous slides. in these 2 slides these sentences are written. you have to do it. then you have to prepare this chapter number 20, prepositions, for the test. fine. I have captured these images over here, the picture images. so you need to look at these images and understand. try to understand its meaning. fine. आप इन images को मैंने इसलिए लिया है क्योंकि आप इनका मतलब समझ पाओ. बॉल के actions देखो आप यहाँ पे over here. fine. try to understand the meanings of these prepositions with the help of pictures. over here also I have taken the picture for your help only, and you can understand very easily with the help of picture. अगर आप पिक्चर के थ्रू देखोगे उसे तो आपको बहुत आसानी से समझ आएगा. over here also you can understand with the help of picture. fine. so this is all the topic of preposition for you. look over here. there is the sheep jumps over the gate. गेट के ऊपर से जंप किया उसने. ठीक है. अब उसके वो टच में नहीं है और डिस्टेंस भी कम है. सो जब भी डिस्टेंस कम होता है वी यूज द प्रीपोजिशन ओवर. जब डिस्टेंस ज्यादा होता है तो वी यूज द प्रीपोजिशन अबव. लाइक द एग्जाम्पल इज द एरोप्लेन इज फ्लाइंग अबव द स्काई. ठीक है. above the tree. Sorry, it will be above the tree. So you should understand its Hindi meaning. So I hope you all have understood this topic preposition. It's very easy and you have to understand it, and you should know the Hindi meaning of each and every preposition. So this is your homework, and that's it for today, and do prepare for the test. Thank you.